Back to a new video. Today I have the earning application from where you can earn money, and it's literally a different earning application from where you can do offers, surveys and everything. So the name of this application is Money Gun. You will get link in comment box pinned. So if you open this application, you need to log in through Google account, and you just need to verify one captcha, which is very easy. So after logging in, you will get this type of interface. It's literally very simple UI, and you will get rates and get points. I'm going to ignore it, and there is lot of top 100 and live earning status. I'm going to ignore it for now, but I will explain it later. So there is offers and CPA. If you click on offers and CPA, you will get this type of interface where there is written iron source of minia admin Tom. So if you click on one offer, you might get 100 to 200 coins easily. So there is surveys lot. If you click on surveys, you will get surveys of Polfish and rapid rates, bitlabs, inbrain.ai, theorem rates. So if you click in any surveys, you just need to click in one survey. So you will get this type of interface where you need to answer those questions. If you scroll little bit, you will get refer and earn. If you refer a friend, you will get 10% commission, and there is lot of watch videos and get points, so I'm not going to watch. And there is top 100. If you click on top 100, it is just a leaderboard. You will get top 100 players and how much they earned from this application and how much they have points in it. So in order to withdraw from this application, you just need to click in 3 line in top left corner, and you will get this type of interface where you will get a profile link and everything. So there is option of privacy policy. It's humble request for everyone to read privacy policy, especially for those who are living in Nepal. And so in order to withdraw from this application, you just need to click in your earnings, and if you click on your earnings, you will get this type of interface where 1000 points is equals to $1, and now I have earned shamefully $0. And yeah, you can withdraw in PUBG Mobile, UC, Vodafone Cash and PayPal. And in order to withdraw in PayPal, you just need to click in PayPal and proceed. If you have 1000 points and if you have earned $1, you can proceed, but now I can't proceed. So yeah, after earning 1000 coins and $1, I will meet you guys again in this video. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe with that notification bell, share with your friends, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.